Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Google Sheet, we are going to learn how to add a new sheet. To add a new sheet, we can click on Insert menu and we can click on Sheet, or you can use the shortcut Shift plus F11. Let's click at that to add a new sheet. You can see here we have the sheet 4 and sheet 1. To add a new sheet from here, you can click and there's more options that you can get for the sheet, like you can delete the sheet, duplicate, you can copy to new spreadsheet, existing sheet. Click at that, you are going to copying the sheet and it is copying now. Sheet copied successfully, so we are going to click on OK. You can rename the sheet. Maybe I want to call it sheet 2, and you can change color. Maybe I want to change it to this blue. You can protect sheet, just click at that. You can enter a description and you can set permissions. So now with range editing permissions, you can choose this option, show a warning when editing this range, or you can restrict who can edit this range. Click on done to protect this sheet. You can hide sheet, just click at that to hide it. To unhide the sheet, we need to go to the view menu and here down we have the hidden sheets. So we're going to click on show the sheet, and also you can view comments if there is. You can move this to right and you can move this to the left. So this is how we can insert a sheet, and also you learn how to edit the sheet with Google Sheets. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.